During this video, I'm going to show you how to take your character that you rigged using Mixamo and import it into Unity. Once it's rigged in Mixamo, next you're going to download the character. Then you're going to switch it to make sure it's FBX for Unity and it's in a T pose. Then we click download. Once it's downloaded, as you can see it's downloaded over here. The next thing we do is we go to Unity. Now up in the top left, there's a tab called Assets. We click on that and we go down to Import New Asset. We scroll until we find our asset that we downloaded and we import it. Now I have my character, but it's not quite ready yet. On the right-hand side, there's a bunch of options here. What we're going to look for is we're going to look for rig. Now, if you can't see your character down here, you need to make sure that you are in the assets folder on the left-hand side. Click there, and your character should show up here. Now we click on our character, and we go to rig. Next thing we do is animation type. We switch it from generic to humanoid, and we avatar definition we create from this model, and we apply. It's going to create a character. Now we have to hit configure. We save. And you can see our character is completely mapped and rigged and ready to go. Then we click done. Now we've zoomed into the grass. Now I'm zooming out. This is because I have grass here. Next thing I'm going to do is import my character. But before I can import my character, I'm going to import a prefabbed character first. So I'm going to go into my standard assets folder. So down here, standard assets. Then I'm going to go over to characters and then third person character, and I'm going to scroll down to prefabs, and I'm going to go third person controller. I'm going to drag that prefab into my scene. And there he is. Now we're going to swap this character for ours. So how we do this is we click on the down arrow, and we're going to delete all the rest of this junk. Ethan, Ethan, Ethan. Anything that says Ethan, we delete. Then we're going to go back up to the assets folder. We're going to take our character and drag it and make sure that it overlays, it highlights over top of the third person controller. Just like that. Now our character is the third person controller. Once we've done this, there's one more step we need to do, and that is to go over to avatar, make sure that the avatar is correct. That's not, we check, we click on the small dot, make sure that our character is selected, and then now when you click play, you should be able to run around as your character. Oops. I made a mistake there. Hold on. What I forgot to do is I always clicked on Fantabulous, my character, instead of being clicked on first person controller to make sure that the avatar was correct. So make sure you're on third person controller, go over to the avatar. Right now it says Ethan avatar. I switched that to my character. Now when I click play, I should have my character that runs around.